Hello and welcome to this new video on how to check MetaMask balance. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your MetaMask interface, and when you are able to access the MetaMask interface, you just have to scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see all your balance. So MetaMask account and MetaMask wallet is the same thing, and you can create more account, and when you create account, you will also create more wallet. So in order to create account, you can just look on the top in the middle. There will be account. So you just have to click on it and you will be able to add account or hardware wallet. There is a button as well. So you just have to click on that and you just need to click on add a new account, and you just need to enter your account name and you will be able to create that account, and you will just buy the tokens, coins or NFTs, and the value of that particular NFTs coins will be shown to you. When you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see there are name of the coin. Currently I don't have any balance, so it says 0, but if you have previously made a transaction and if there is a balance, then it will show the balance that you had. And you can also see the NFTs. There are 3 different options on the top. This is tokens, NFTs and activity. So you can just click on the NFTs and it will show the NFTs that you have previously bought and their current value. So this is how to check MetaMask balance. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.